Hi there, welcome to IGCSE Physics, and today we're looking at topic 5, which is density. So firstly, after this series, you would be able to define density and perform calculations using density equals mass divided by volume. You will be able to describe experiments to measure the density of solids, liquids, and air, predict whether an object will float based on the density data. So let's jump right in. Density. How is density used in science? So density is used in science to determine the volume that an object takes or the volume that an object has. And we also use it to measure the mass of objects. And therefore, density is quite useful when we try to measure different experiments. For example, when we try to measure how far projectiles will travel if we give them the same motion at initial launch. So therefore, density is specifically related to how much volume does something take, related to how heavy or the mass that it has. So is one bundle of carrots heavier than one bundle of spinach? And therefore, we can see if there's a difference in density between carrots and spinach. How do we calculate density? So density is calculated with the equation P for density, or D for density, equals mass over volume. So mass divided by volume gives us density. Next question. Which SI unit is used to describe density? Density is described with, so the SI unit we use for density is kilograms per cubic meter. And remember, in the first section, we spoke about SI units for cubics and for volume. And volume will be a 3. How can density be converted between standard units? Usually, because our SI unit is in kilograms per cubic meter, so due to the SI unit, which is kilograms per cubic meter, we need to change any other units into kilogram per cubic meter. So therefore, if you have grams per cubic centimeter, then you need to change it to kilograms per cubic meter. And this will be where your knowledge of scientific notation comes into play, because you will need to change using your scientific notation with your 10 to the powers of. Thank you for joining us in today's session on IGCSE Physics. We hope that this topic has helped you to gain some insight into what you can expect in this curriculum for physics. Enjoy your day. Bye.